Hello, I'm Rich Bruns. Are people looking for your products on Google search? I have a simple method to get these people to your website so they buy your product instead of your competitors. This method works because you know which customers make you money. Run the right ads to your best customers. This simple rule lowers your ad cost dramatically. You save money two ways. First, you pay less for each click on your ad, which takes people to your website. The Google Ads program discounts your ads because your ads show people what they're looking for. You pay a fraction of what your competitors pay who don't write ads for specific search words. And the second way you pay less, you don't pay for expensive ads to the wrong people. You only run ads to customers who make you money. It only takes 2 hours to run successful ads, but you make money month after month. The method has 4 steps. First, it takes 30 minutes to select the right settings for your business. Easy step-by-step instructions guide your way. Standard settings in the Google Ads program are designed to run big-budget corporate ads. These settings make it easy for ad agencies to run ads for big business, but waste most of your money. These big budget corporate settings run expensive ads at the top of Google search to many people who are not your customers. You can't afford to spend 80% of budget running ads to the wrong people. My method keeps you in control and out of trouble. You avoid costly settings designed to run big budget corporate ad campaigns. To run a Google ad, you build an ad group. My method shows how to build ad groups that precisely target your best customers. It takes 60 minutes to build your first ad group to run your first ad. Build more ad groups the same way to run more ads. It only takes 10 minutes to run a new ad after you know how. Build each ad group the same way. First, put only one combination of 2 or 3 search words into each ad group. You know words that your best customers put into Google search. Second, write an ad that attracts people who put those specific words into search. You know what your customers like to hear before they buy. Third, control how much you pay when somebody clicks on that ad. Don't let Google set your cost per click for you. For example, let's say you build an ad group for the words Mercedes repair. When someone puts the words Mercedes repair into Google search, your ad says, "We specialize in Mercedes repairs," and explains benefits that a Mercedes owner wants to hear. You can probably afford to pay a higher cost per click for Mercedes repair ads than for Toyota repairs. You know how much you make for each customer sale. Simple step-by-step instructions show how to set up your ad groups. My method shows you the actual position that your ads are running for each ad group. And you see what you paid per click to get that position. Bid ad groups higher that make you more money. Get above average ad position 4 if you can afford it, so your ads run for most searches. My method also makes it easy to test ads scientifically. Run a second test ad inside the same ad group. Everyone who sees either ad puts the same words into Google search. The only difference is which ad they see. Run the ad that gets more clicks to your website. Successful ads make you money month after month. Start making money today. Get new customers to your website when they're looking for your products on Google search. Sign up as a member to get easy step-by-step instructions. Click the Members button on www.richbruns.com. Your membership will pay for itself many times over. I assure your complete satisfaction with my 30-day instant money-back guarantee.